Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So in this video, we will see how to add the background image. So we have already covered the what is the how to add the background the color in the previous video. If you haven't gone through it, you can go through the playlist of the CSS tutorial. Okay, so now let's see how can we add the background image. Okay, so in the next video we will cover with the background position. In this video we will cover with the background image. Okay, so now let me go with the practical session. So here already one of the background color background image HTML is there, HTML page is there. What I'll do here in the same itself, what I'll do, I'll use the what background image property. So let me use the what body itself. For the body, I'll select the body as a my selector, and I'll apply the what background image here. Okay. So if I want to apply the background image, so that image should be present in our folder itself where the HTML file is present. In that in that itself it should be present. Okay, or you can take the what website URL, whatever the URL it is, the image URL, you can take it. But if you are taking with the locally, that whatever the image is there, so it should be present in the same folder where the HTML file is present. Okay, so now URL. Okay, so in this I'll try to add a one of the image. Okay, so there is a OIP images. I'll try to add that one. OIP dot JPEG. Okay, PNG also fine, JPEG also fine, JPG fine, SVG also fine. Okay, so these all things we can add it. So whichever the image, it supports the JPEG, PNG, and SVG and GIF also. Okay, so now see, you can let me go here. There is a see you can add the what you have added the what background image, but this is a repeated. Okay, so but if you want to remove this repetition, there is another property we have. So we will see in the next video how to remove this repetition of the background. Okay, so until this, so you can go through this how to add the background image. Okay, so I hope this video is useful to understand how to add the background image. Okay, so if you have liked this video, please hit on the like button and share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching it, guys.